Namaskar everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Presha and today we are going to talk about a common question. How often should you practice yoga? Now, there is no one answer to that question, but I'm going to give you a simple framework that you can follow. I will also share my personal story of how I burnt out by practicing too much yoga and what I learned from that experience. When I completed my yoga teacher training, I believed that as a teacher, I had to practice yoga every single day, no matter what. I told myself, if I don't practice every day, how will I ever guide my students properly? So, I started rolling out my mat every morning without fail. In the beginning, it felt great. I felt disciplined, motivated, and deeply connected to my practice. But after a few weeks, I started noticing something. My body began to ache, particularly in areas like my shoulder blades, lower back, and my wrist. The soreness wasn't just the usual post-practice feeling, it was something deeper. Still, I kept pushing through, thinking this was what I was supposed to do. But soon the aches became constant. I started waking up with fatigue. Some mornings I even felt like I didn't want to practice at all. That was my wake-up call. The step back moment now. When I took a step back and really looked at my weekly routine, I realized I wasn't just practicing yoga every day, I was also doing weight training, going on long walks and adding different types of movements, and on top of that, my personal practice. Now, I was also teaching classes. I was doing some physical work, and that was like demonstrating poses, doing housework, and this was happening throughout the day. It became clear that my body wasn't getting the time it needed to recover. I was simply overdoing it. So this was a turning point for me, and I realized that being a good teacher is not about forcing yourself to practice every day. It's about showing up with energy, focus, and clarity so you can guide your students well. So, what did I learn from all of this? I learned that consistency matters. I realized that consistency does not mean every single day. Consistency means practicing in a way that your body can handle it and in a way that feels sustainable. For me, I found out that practicing yoga 2 to 3 times a week was enough to keep myself connected to my personal practice, especially since I was also weight training and walking. And this combination felt balanced and allowed my body to recover. Some weeks I practiced yoga 4 times a week. Other weeks it was probably 2 times, and that's perfectly fine. I'm still consistent because I'm showing up for my practice without burning out myself. So if you're just starting with your yoga journey, my advice would be that you aim for 2 to 3 times a week. And these sessions don't need to be long sessions. Even 20 to 30 minutes of focused yoga can make a big difference. Now, if you try to force yourself to doing yoga every single day, especially as a beginner, it might feel overwhelming or lead to fatigue. It's far better to have 2 or 3 quality sessions each week than pushing yourself daily and losing motivation and risk your body and also risk your body with injury. So a simple weekly plan could be, or a schedule could be, that on Monday you do a 20-minute gentle yoga flow. On Wednesdays you can do a 30-minute class focus on flexibility and balance. On Fridays and Saturdays, a 15-minute restorative or a yin yoga session. The other days can be for walks, strength training, or simply resting. So remember, rest is a very important part of the progress. My final thoughts. The most important thing to remember is that yoga is not about how many times a week you practice it. It's about how you feel during and after your practice, and whether it's something you can continue doing for years to come. Doing yoga 2 to 3 times a week consistently and mindfully is often far better than forcing yourself to do it every single day. Now, you have classes here on my channel. If you are looking for yoga classes to start with, you can find them right here on my channel. I offer a variety of classes from vinyasa and hatha to restorative sessions and as well as meditation practices. There's something for everyone, no matter your energy level or your time availability. Now, I hope my story helps you approach your yoga practice with balance and patience. Let me know in the comments how many days a week are you aiming to practice yoga. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tips, classes, meditation, and guidance on building a sustainable yoga practice. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you again on the mat. Om Shanti.